we left the Rocky Mountains for a dispersed campsite. We're at Stillwater Pass near Grand Lake.
Two blondes to USA.
And ninja!
Smooth like ninjas, yo.
And yesterday we were looking for a better leveled spot, so I wasn't paying attention.
Somebody royally forked up.
Accidentally, I broke this part.
Holy mother forking shirt balls.
It was underneath the van. And for the sewer of our grey and black tank.
That is one big pile of shit.
So, came off, it broke.
Oh no shit, Sherlock.
We have to go back to Denver. To an RV repair shop to have it fixed. So that's another 2-hour drive back to square one.
Please subscribe.
We spotted our first real-life moose!
Well, Smiley here did.
You
well,
did?
I saw it from in the van as she was recording it. It was pretty far away.
A little bit in the distance, so I had to like zoom in. But still, it was there and it was out in the open, not in a zoo. So it was pretty nice.
And those fuckers are big. Shit.
Another day.
After we fixed our sewer pipe of the car, $613. Oh my god, there goes our budget. Well, we think we go to the wildlife drive. It's free, so we need free at this time. And we arrived and it doesn't look really nice. So we're only gonna film like the Bisons for you. And then we go to the Home Depot and to the Cracker Barrel to eat.
Step, step, kick. Step, 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 kick. Step, 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 kick.
Who's the boy that can laugh at a storm cloud, turn a frown into a smile for free? Who's the kid with a heart full of magic? Everyone knows
That's me.
Who's the boy with eyes full of wonder, who thinks being yourself is the best thing to be? Who's that rascal with the tweezers in his pocket? Everyone knows it's
That's me.
jumping in puddles, skipping down the hallway, and goes to the petting zoo. He loves John Alway. Who's that tyke with the cutest little dimples, batting his eyes at every puppy he sees? If you look inside yourself, you might be surprised when you find a little boy named
It's me. Yeah.
One ninja cat coming up. Pretty fresh.
Let me out!
And go!
And look at this amazing spot with a view on the Rocky Mountains. And it's amazing here.
And behind us there's also the Grand Lake. So it's not only mountains, but also a lake.
Yeah, we drove from Estes Park through the Rocky Mountains. And then the other part is Grand Lake, that's the name of the town. And they have like BLM land and it's called Stillwater Pass. And they have a lot of spots. We chose to go in the first spot because we didn't want to drive over the sand and that kind of stuff. And it's easy to get here, not so many potholes.
No, the road is a little rough, but it's doable.
Yeah, and the only thing is, it's not leveled here.
No.
So we had to make a pile of wood and bricks.
And pebbles.
And then put the fan on it because the fridge didn't work anymore. Because they say when it's not leveled enough, it's not working. So
Yeah.
we experienced that.
Yeah, first we were like, nah, that can't be true.
New but, yeah but.
Our fridge is always working.
BS.
Yeah, so, well, the first 1 or 2 days, the fridge didn't work. And unfortunately, we did have to go to Denver to repair our sewer pipe. And when we returned, kind of leveled the van. And yeah, now it works. So it's pretty good internet signal here. It's a bit spotty, depends on where you are. But with our booster, it
No
works
problem
fine. No
at all.
problem at all. And you can stay here for 2 weeks consecutive in a 30-day period.
And the only thing is what's not so pretty is that all the trees are burned down, and that happened like 3 years ago. And luckily you can already see a little bit of small bushes under the trees.
Yeah.
So it's starting to grow again, and the view is amazing of the mountain, and you see a little bit of the lake. So it doesn't ruin our day.
No, we're having a blast like everywhere.
Yeah. And as you can see, we're parked pretty close to the road, but that's not much of a problem. Only in the weekends it's a little bit busy with trikes and quads and cars and RVs and stuff, but during the week it's a perfect spot to be.
Show your boobs.
Nice.
So, our first night here, we were parked over there and I heard something. It was like a car. So I looked outside of the window. Yeah, fuck indeed, there was somebody else parked almost next to us.
How rude! It's an unwritten rule that you're not gonna stay on the same spot as somebody else already took. So don't do that. If you're boondocking and you can't find a spot, first ask people if you can be in the same spot or just find something for yourself. But that's not the way to do it.
So that's why we have a cone here and a branch.
And you found it on the side of the road, right?
Yeah, I found this cone at the side of the road, so picked it up, took it with us, block the entry to our campsite.
And somebody's having a blast here because I never saw so many grasshoppers. Ninja eats them and brings them into the van, so that's an adventure on zich.
Currently, there's a bit of a drought. Well, we had some rain during the nights, but still there's a fire ban in this whole area. Well, probably whole of Colorado. I've never made a campfire anywhere in Colorado because of the fire ban.
I love to see a man clean. And it's kind of funny because we don't do number 2 on our toilet. And in the morning we go outside, dig a hole and do our business in there. And Ninja comes with me and he digs a hole next to me and starts to shit in it. I think that's pretty funny.
Next day, I'm on their ass once again.
Just a quick stop where I could wash my hair and my body and he could wash our van. He's such a pussy, he doesn't want to go in the water, he thinks it's too cold. Nah. You can also disperse camp here, but we decided to go to Glenwood Springs instead. If you see a fire pit, you know you can overnight park here. Yesterday we were at Glenwood Springs and I expected a lot of it, but it was horrible. I didn't like it at all. So today we drove an hour to Aspen and it looks way better here.
Yeah, the only place I know Aspen from is from Dump and Dumber, when Lloyd is about to return the suitcase of Mary.
But I think that is the Aspen, like the ski area.
I like you a lot.
And this is like the downtown and you can go up the mountain just like you can do in Taos. And there's like the ski area.
That's awesome.
But still, from here we can see the ski lifts.
And if you want to buy something here, make sure you take a bag of gold with you because everything is super expensive. Or a ledger with Bitcoin. That maybe help too. Oh, hi! And they have beautiful flowers everywhere.
For a dispersed campsite, we're at Stillwater Pass, and accidentally to go to a dealer or to an RV repair. We have to go back to Denver to an RV repair shop.
And they have a lot of spots. We chose to so many potholes.
No, and you can stay here for 2 weeks. So I looked outside of the window.
Because I never saw so many crickets. Crickets? Grasshoppers. Well, grasshoppers, I think it's the same, but
Because of the
fireman.
fireman. Serieus?
Nope.
No.
He skipped you.